Okay, so I got this humidifier like maybe a week ago or something, and it's 8 gallons. So I fill the water, like I think you can fill through the top, but I fill through here, and it has like a little pump that pumps the water up and stuff in a tube. And so let me just turn it off. So turn it off, turn it back on, and then here is like how you set how much mist you want to come out. And then down here is like the humidity level, so let's set it at 50. And you can set a timer if you want, and then also if it's at night and it's in your bedroom or something, you can like shut off the light so it's not so annoying. So far I haven't had an issue with it. I like that it's tall and thin, so it doesn't take up much space, especially in an apartment. So I kind of stick it around all my plants here. Well, not all my plants, just a small portion of my plants. But anyways, yeah, that's how it works. The only thing that I would really like is if there was like a handle on the other side too, because like if you wanted to carry this, like say fill it in your bathtub or something, and then carry it to a different location, you have to kind of like hold the whole thing. So that would be my only suggestion, would be add a handle at the back as well, but otherwise I'm quite happy with it. Thank you.
Thing is hooked up, all the hoses, everything. Plug it in, and then turn it on. Yeah, so just